we're gonna put our NVMe right here. All right, we're gonna unbox this one. All right, the moment of truth. We got it open. Boom. Oh wow. 1 terabyte. Let's go. All right, pretty cool. So on the on the NVMe slot, we need to remove this screw right here. All right. Depending on the size, you have to either place it here or here or here or here. With the one I got with the Samsung 970 Evo Plus, we have to place it right here, right? Just remove that screw real quick. Got that out. Cool. Alright. Removed it. Magnetic. That's sick. Just put this on the side so we don't lose it. We'll take this NVMe. Alright, so there's a notch here, right? And there's a notch there. We have to match up the notch, you know? I'll just do that real quick. Push it through. There we go. It's in. Let's take that screw, right? Place that here. There's gonna be a spring action here, guys, alright? So I advise you to press down on this and then place the screw on there while you have your finger placed here and screw it in. Do not let go because you're gonna lose the screw, alright? So I'm gonna do that right now. There we go. We have installed our NVMe, alright? Make sure to press down and install the screw in there. Do not let go because this will spring out. Okay, so there is some heatsink pad on this thing. And it's like a thermal pad. Yeah, it's a thermal pad that we have to place on top of this thing. Anyways, let's remove, right? Let's remove this thermal pad plastic thingy. Let's put this. All right. Let's slide that in there. Slide it in there with no problem. There we go. Should line it up perfectly and then screw it in. There we go. I'm thinking, just trying to focus. Alright, good. NVMe is locked up in there. Now, we're gonna place this motherboard in here. How I'm gonna record it, I really don't know. We're gonna try to figure this out. Alright, so I went ahead and removed the fan that was here. There was 4 Phillips screws right here, so I just removed them. Just remove them so you can create more space to maneuver the motherboard and place it where it needs to be. What's cool about this case, and I think it already has these standoffs that are in the corner, which is important to secure the motherboard here. Right here, if you can see that standoff right there. Yeah, you can see it right there. Right here, I believe there's 9. So 1, let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I believe this is the 9th one. Alright, we have placed the motherboard in the PC case. Alright, we have it lined up as you can see with those mounting notches here. 1 there, and just make sure it's lined up. That's what I did. Everything seems to be lined up in its place, right? Oh, there's one tricky one in there. How am I gonna get there? We will see. We're gonna get I think we have to remove, so we're gonna have to remove this thing. Oh, you guys can see where I'm pointing at, this thing. So we can get in there. All right, pretty cool, huh? So if you look back at this manual here that came with the case, we need these motherboard HDD screws or /HDD screws. So this will mount the hard drive and the motherboard. We need 9 of these. All right, they have a curved top right there. They're not flat. You see that? They're curved on the top. That's what we need. We need these to mount them in here. Let's do this. Let's do this. I'm excited. So I went ahead and mounted those screws in each of their placements. So I'm gonna tighten them up. 1 here. Don't tighten them too hard. one right here, one right here. And there we go. I'm trying to focus so you guys can see. All right, this one will mount as well. Onto this one corner right here. And this one is gonna be a little challenging to show, but I think we'll get it. There we go. And we mount this one as well, right here. Try to screw that one in there. I know you guys can't see, but I'm trying to make it visible. There we go. You guys can see that, right? Pretty good. Solid. Alright, so I've missed something right here. It says remove. I know you guys are seeing this upside down, but remove before plugging in power. We gotta remove this right here. The sticker here. It's important. Removed it. I'm not sure if I can get in there. I don't know. It's a weird design. I don't think I can. Wait, can we remove that? I don't know. I'm trying to see if we can remove this shield. I don't think we can remove the shield, guys. How am I gonna get through? I have no idea. Alright, so I found a way, right, to remove this thing. See, there's a lip here. You just gotta push in on it like this and slide it out. And it should remove, so we can now finally place the screw in there. I like how it's magnetic, so we don't have to lose it. And gently place it in there. Let's go, it's in there. You know what I'm gonna use? I will use the metal one that I got from, where did I put it? Oh, right here. There we go. We'll use this tool. I think this tool will be a little easier so you guys can see what I'm doing. And we just have to mount it and we'll be all good. Boom. I think it is secured now. Everything is in its place. Let's double check. Yeah. That's tight, tight. Everything is in its place, yeah. Check that one right there. Just make sure, you know. It's always good to make sure that everything's in its place and tightened. I'm not tightening it too much, you know. But just enough where it doesn't move around. Alright, cool. Everything's in its place. What else do we gotta do? I do have to buy the RAM. Sooner or later, I will get it. And I'm going to be putting my 3070 Ti. Alright. This one, I actually like this one. I got this one from Best Buy, right? This actually has a, let me see if I can get it out. This is a beefy boy. I'm trying to get it out. It's coming out. Let's go. Boy, you see that? This has a display on it, which is pretty cool. It could show you the temp. I'm not sure where is it. It's here somewhere, right here. Yeah, it has a display right there. I'm gonna unbox this real quick. Here's the GPU, 3070 Ti. We have to remove all this plastic here. We don't want any problems, so let's remove the plastic. Let's go. It's like opening up an Apple product, like I said. All right. Let's check if there's any more plastic. Oh, this is a chunky boy. Chunky boy. See that? Look at that. There's a display right there that will display all the temps and stuff like that. Look at that. It has lights in there. And let's see. Trying to. All right. Look at that. Check that out. Check that out, boy. How's it gonna fit in here? I don't know. We'll find out. I have 2 slots that I need to open up from here. Right? There's 2 slots here, and it has 2 open areas to put in a lot of HDMI and DP ports. All right. So let's unscrew these. You know what I mean? Unscrew one at a time. Don't want them to fall. Let's see if you can focus. Yeah, we're good. Good there. Let's get this out of here. Oh, we're good. We're good. We're good. Move that out of there. Keep that on the side. Right? All right, cool. Since we finally got that out, right? Now, all we have to do is take this plastic out. Remember that, because you don't want to put that in here. And also, push that one back so you can lock it into place. You know what I mean? And so all we have to do is match the notch here and fit it in there. That's it. It should be placed, yeah, upside down. We have removed the plastic part, and we are now going to be placing the GPU in that PCIe slot right there. I'm gonna have to use 2 hands, so I'll show you the aftermath. It should go in right there. Make sure you open that latch on the right, all right? All right, so a couple things I need to mention. I've already put it in here. It occupies, the worst thing about this is that it occupies 2 places, 2 PCIe slots. I mean, this thing only has 1, but it's like covering the second PCIe slot. I don't know if I want to get a smaller one, but we'll have to make do for now. A couple things I need to mention, right? This is cantilevered here, right here. I put the original shield mount here back in its place, and it occupies these 2 after the first one, second and third. So remove these 2, you get the shield out. I already got them out right here, right? And it'll occupy these 2 right here. Also, you need to remove, right? I don't know if you guys can see, I'm trying to make it seeable. Let me focus in real quick. Let me focus. All right, right here. You need to, this latch right here, before you start putting the GPU in, push it down. Push it down, all right? You push it down, and then when you put the GPU in, it should latch up. When you want to remove it, right, remove these screws first, the second and third, and then push this down. Try to lift the GPU up a little bit so you can push that down, and therefore you can remove the GPU. Or if you want to put the GPU in, just push this down, that latch, right, with the sharp object. You can use this thing. Just push it down and remove it. That's it. It's pretty in. It's this latch. This is the latch I'm talking about. Just push it down. I'll just push it with my hand for now. See? Push it down. Go back up.